In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wispr Flow with Cursor. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must install Wispr Flow. And if you're new and you want to check it out, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check it out from there. So when you do that, you want to go into settings here and you can play around with the system settings inside your Wispr Flow app. Here you can go and make sure it launches at login. You have to make sure that, of course, you can see this down here at the bottom so you know it's actually working, etc. So it's up to you if you want to show that. I just like it being there. Now, when you've done that, you want to open up Cursor, and then from here, all you have to do is just select where you want to type or talk inside Cursor. For example, if I go into new chat over here inside my Cursor, I can just click on there, and I can then press Control plus Windows key on my keyboard, and if I do that, I can just start talking. So, for example, I'm just going to say, let's create a simple calculator app to calculate anything I want. Now it's going to load, and there we go. As you can see, it typed in exactly that. Now, of course, if you have the Pro version of Wispr Flow and if you have it enabled, you could also use the new command mode. So to do this, you want to go into Wispr Flow here, and if you have the Pro, I have the trial right now, you can go into settings and then experimental, and then here you can enable this command mode. Now what this will do is it will help you with like translations. You can make text more concise, you can expand it, you can make prompts, etc. So if you just highlight this text, for example, I'm going to hold down Control plus Windows plus Alt key, and I'm going to tell it, expand this text where it's going to be a long prompt for this calculator app. And you'll see it's going to start using command mode, and now it's going to basically wait for a few seconds for it to load, and then it's going to load it, and it's going to give me exactly what I said. So there we go. As you can see, this prompt is now much better. Of course, I could go and change things. I could go and hover over specific points, etc. Or I could tell it, for example, to translate this into Spanish, or maybe like a different language, etc. You can do pretty much whatever you want by simply highlighting over text and telling it what you want by pressing down Control plus Windows plus Alt key on your keyboard if you are on Windows. So that's how to use Wispr Flow with Cursor. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.